Hello everyone. From this video, we are going to start our Kotlin playlist. So in this video, I am going to discuss what we are going to study in this playlist. So you can say this is the overview of the playlist, that what we are going to do phase wise. So I have divided the playlist in phases. So there are total 5 phases from beginner to advanced. And I hope you will like it and you will follow the playlist. So let's get started. So firstly, we will follow the phase 1, where it will consist of 6 videos, and this is going to be the sequence of video. So firstly, I will teach you what is Kotlin, and I will just give you the quick introduction of Kotlin, and then we will set up an environment to code in Kotlin language. Then I will tell you what are variables, and then we will go for the string and operators and control flow, which will contain our if else and when expression. And then we will go for the loop, and at the end of each phase I will give you some assignment like this. And then after giving you assignment, I will also provide you a solution video of this assignment, so that you can practice the Kotlin language and check how much you are getting from these videos. And this assignment will be based on what we have studied earlier. So this will contain everything which we studied in the phase 1. If you are someone who don't have any coding background, so you may think that what is this variables and string. So don't worry about it. It's just an introduction to the playlist. So what we are going to do, and I will give a dedicated video on all these. So in second phase, what we are going to do, we will focus on function and null safety. And null safety is a feature of Kotlin which we are going to study here, and it will contain like what are function, what are default and named function, null safety and scope function. And based on this, I will give you an assignment, and then I will provide you assignment video also, assignment solution video also. And in the phase 3, so this is going to be most important phase, because without this phase you cannot do any development in Kotlin, whether it is backend development or it is Android development. So, and in this phase, we are highly going to use all those above phases, that is phase 1 and phase 2. So, in this phase, we are going to learn collection like list, map, set, etc., and iterating and filtering collections. Then we will learn oops. So, here we will study about class and object, constructor, inheritance, and Kotlin provides so many type of classes, and these are some names, and nested and inner classes. And based on this phase, I will give you an assignment again. Then I will provide the assignment video. So then we will move to the phase 4. Till now you have completed all the basic of the Kotlin. Now we will move to the advanced Kotlin, which is phase 4, where we will study about interface, abstract, generics in Kotlin, lambda function, which is high order function. So and then we will study about extension function and its properties. And then I will give you an introduction to coroutines. And coroutine is a feature of Kotlin which is very good, and we will highly utilize this in our development. And then based on this, I will give you an assignment, and then the solution video of the assignment. And then we will come to the phase 5. Phase 5 is going to be very practical and project based phase. So in this, you will learn about exception handling in Kotlin, file input output, and the library functions. And then we will learn how Kotlin is interoperable with Java and how we can convert Java code to Kotlin also. And then I will give you 3 mini projects, and you will learn here how we can uh, use whatever we have learned above in a real world project. And then I will give you an introduction to Android using Kotlin. There we will create a simple app which will just show hello world. And then I will give you a final assignment like this, like library management app using console. And then I will give you its solution. So that's it. It is going to be our playlist, and we will follow this sequence our in the playlist. So hope you like the video, and if you are going to follow my playlist, then write following playlist of Kotlin in the comment. So thank you for watching the video guys, and make sure you save the playlist so that you don't miss any new video. So thank you for watching the video.